If you're over 40 and you're struggling with stubborn belly fat, this 10 to 15 minute yoga class is going to help you burn body fat without jumping, crunches, and it is joint safe for your knees and your back. Well, hello and welcome. My name is Paola and this is Yoga After 40, where we make yoga safe and effective for bodies over 40. Today's flow is safe, effective, and powerful. Will fire up your whole body, especially your core and your belly area, so you can support weight loss, feel lighter, feel confident, and more energized. And if you want extra support with fat loss, energy, and joint health after 40, I actually created my own supplement line, Forever Strong. It is made right here in the US, non-GMOs, no fillers, all natural ingredients, third-party tested, and I have attached the link right here for you to check it out and also in the description below. So if you're ready, let's go. We're gonna start today on all fours, coming into tabletop, taking the shoulders over the wrist, the hips over the knees. We're gonna tuck the toes, press ourselves up, shifting the weight forward, so shoulders again are stacked over the wrist. Keeping it straight back, keeping that core engaged. Pressing the mat away. We're gonna be here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now bring your feet a little closer together. Take your right leg up. Make sure that your left knee hovers over the mat. We're gonna take one deep breath in here, and on the exhale, we're gonna round the spine, taking the knee to nose or knee to chest for floating tabletop. Kick it all the way up. Bring it down. Bring it up. Bring it down. Bring it up. Bring it down. Bring it up. Bring it down. Bring the right foot back to the mat. Again, make sure that your shoulders are over the wrist. Sweep your left leg up. Flex or point your left toes. Bring the knee to nose or knee to chest. Hold it 1 second. Kick it back. Bring it down. Bring it up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Bring it down to the mat. Come back into your tabletop. Beautiful job, guys. Now tuck your toes and press yourself into your downward facing dog. Spread all 10 fingers. Sending the hips all the way up. Keeping it straight back. Remember, your downward facing dog looks like an inverted V. So we're coming into a runner's lunge. We're gonna look forward and we're gonna step the right foot in between our hands. Coming high on the back toes, so you're like on a crescent lunge. And you're gonna start rocking back and forth. We're gonna do 5 of this. If your hands are not flat on the mat, feel free to grab blocks. Stay connected to your breath. One more. On the next one, we're gonna come high on the back toes. We're gonna press ourselves up, coming into a low lunge, sweeping the arms all the way up to the sky. Coming into your warrior 2, your back foot is on a 90 degree. Your right knee is over the right heel. Arms by the side, hands facing down. Flip your right hand, reach forward, and now take your right hand back and up. Taking your left hand to the left knee, open the right side of the body. Come back to center. Now take your right hand to the mat. Maybe you take your right elbow on top of the right knee. So do whatever feels good for you. If you have your right hand on the mat, make sure that your left fingertips are in line with the right hand. Looking at the left fingertips. Beautiful. Come back into your warrior two. We're gonna cartwheel the arms down, framing the right leg. Step your right leg back, come back into a high plank. Maybe you come down to your knees. Hold it in here for 3, 2, 1. And now roll yourself back into your downward facing dog. So now look forward. Step your left foot in between your hands. Coming into your runner's lunge, high on the back toes. And now find movement in here. We're gonna be here for 5, 4, 3, feeling the stretch on the hamstrings. 2, 1. Now we're gonna come all the way up. Crescent lunge, reaching the arms to the sky. Left knee over the left heel. Stand up tall, arms by the side. Open into your warrior two. Back foot goes on a 90 degrees, so your back toes are facing the right side of the mat. Bending the left knee, knee over heel, hands facing down, strong arms. Flip your left hand, reach forward, and now reach back. Right hand to the right leg. Come back to warrior two. Now take your left hand either to the mat, maybe your left elbow sits on top of the left knee, reaching the right arm up. Any variation is welcome. Maybe you take your left hand to a block. If your left hand is on the mat, make sure that there's one straight line from the right fingertips to the left hand. Come back to your warrior two. Cartwheel the arms down, framing the left leg. Step your left leg back, so you're back into your high plank. Maybe you bring the knees to the mat, so do whatever feels good for you in here. We're gonna hold it for 3. Keep it straight back. 2, 1. Come back into your downward facing dog. Beautiful job. Reconnect to your breath. Come back to your tabletop. From here, we're gonna tuck the toes again. We're gonna press ourselves up. Bring your feet a little closer together and take your right leg up. Maybe you take your left arm up too. Finding balance through your breath, keeping a strong core. Bring it down. Left leg goes up. Maybe your right arm comes up too. One more breath in here. Come back down. Beautiful job. Now we're gonna press ourselves all the way up into our plank. Come down to your forearms. Keeping it straight back. You don't want your booty to be sticking up. You're pressing through your forearms, shoulders away from the ears. Right hand goes back to the mat. Left hand goes back to the mat, back into your high plank. So now back to your forearm. Right hand, left hand. Right forearm, left forearm. Right hand, left hand. Right forearm, left forearm. Right hand, left hand. Right, left. Come back into your tabletop. And now we're gonna sit on the mat, bringing the knees to the chest, giving ourselves a hug. So you're coming high on your sit bones. Maybe you take your hands to the mat, roll the shoulders back, So your hands are by the hips. Your elbows are hugging the rib cage, so your elbows are facing back. Maybe you lean back a little bit. You can reach your arms up if that doesn't bother your lower back. Maybe take your legs all the way up. If you feel discomfort in your lower back, that's because your core is not engaged. So we're gonna stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna come halfway down to a canoe. Keep engaging your core, engage your legs, your inner thighs, your toes. Keep reaching forward. Now come all the way up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. They come halfway down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then come up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then come halfway down for your canoe. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful job. Bring the knees back to the chest. Give yourself a hug. Round the spine, taking the forehead to the knees. Oh my God, how does that feel? Take your feet all the way up for your happy baby, grabbing the outside of your feet, relaxing the shoulders, opening the hips, the groins. Feel free to grab a strap, maybe a belt, a towel, wrap it around the legs, and then use the strength of the arms to pull the knees closer to the ground. Now release your feet, taking your feet mat width apart. Now windshield the legs, in and out. How are we doing, guys? Nobody said that it's impossible to get fit and stay strong after 40, but it's definitely a lot of work. So we gotta show up for ourselves every day. Whether it's 5 minutes, 10 minutes, going for a walk, going for a swim. So we prepare for your final Savasana, taking your feet mat width apart, taking the arms by the side, letting the armpits breathe. Be taking your left hand to your heart and your right hand to your belly. So stay here for as long as you want to. That's all I have for you today. I want to thank you so much for practicing with me. As always, it is my honor guiding you through this beautiful practice of yoga. And I want to let you know that you're never too old and it's never too late to start taking care of your body, to do yoga, to do whatever makes you happy. Please leave me a comment down below and let me know what you want to see next. Remember, I'm here for you. I love you all. Please have a beautiful day wherever you are. And remember, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. And don't forget to check out my app. I have attached it right here for you. It is for adults over 40 to make you feel strong, to be flexible, and to feel more confident. I think I'm going to stay here for a long time.